Hey there, costume enthusiasts! Get ready to elevate your Halloween or cosplay game with the Laku Tunic Costume, a complete set that includes a hooded robe and cloak, designed specifically for men who want to make a bold statement. This versatile ensemble is perfect for transforming into your favorite mystical or medieval character, offering a comfortable fit and a dramatic flair that will captivate any audience. Crafted from high-quality materials, the tunic and cloak are not only durable but also breathable, ensuring you stay comfortable whether you're at a party or a cosplay event. The hooded design adds an air of mystery and intrigue, making it an ideal choice for those looking to embody a wizard, monk, or any other enigmatic persona. With its attention to detail and authentic look, this costume set is sure to impress and make you the center of attention. So, if you're ready to step into a world of fantasy and adventure, the Laku Tunic Costume is your ticket to an unforgettable experience. Don't miss your chance to dazzle and delight in this stunning ensemble. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.